Okay, now I'm showing you how to store your image in the Azure and Docker registry. Okay, so now I'm going to the Docker Hub, sign up. I have already an account, so I'm signing. My Docker Hub is open. First of all, I remove my previous image. So setting, delete repository, the .NET test. So in your Docker Hub, you can add as many as like in the public image, but only in the free account, you can only add only a single image in the Docker registry. Okay, so I am creating a repository name .NET Docker tutorial. Okay, so using only one private repository, so now my private repository is starting to delete the previous repository. That the reason it's now in also in deleting stage. So I am adding the public. I click the create. Okay. So now how can I push this image in the Docker registry? So I first of all clear everything and click the Docker images. So my .NET image is my image name. Okay. So now I call Docker image tag my .NET image to Tapur 007 tutorial. This tag. So remove this also and paste. So I using the my .NET image, I also tag another image. If I now Docker images again, you see Tapur 0 .NET Docker tutorial is present there. So now I am using Docker image push, so push and the tag name. Okay, so it's also showing. So I'm copying this, copy, and if I not provide any tag name, that is equal to latest. It's now pushing. Request access to the resource is denied. I think the username password security measurement also needed. If you are facing this type of similar issue, that is denied access, request access to the resource is denied. So how can you solve this? Coming to the your account setting page, and inside the account setting, click the security and click the new access token, my laptop token, and add this read write delete permission, click generated, and now you need to log in using your username. So I am login docker login -u my user at the password prompt, copy this and paste this. Login successfully. Okay, now I again push my image. You see the push is working smoothly, and image also upload in the Docker registry. And I think you know how to pull image from Docker registry, because most of the image we are pull from the Docker Hub. So I think this part is very clear for you how to pull image from the Docker registry. Image is large, so that reason multiple pushing is working synchronously. Pausing the video. So now it's completed. If I go to our general setting and Docker Hub, you see .NET Docker tutorial also present in the latest stack of OS is Linux is pushed successfully. Okay, so I think you understand properly how to push your image in the Docker Hub. Next video I will show you how can you push your image in the Azure registry.